Okay, so this video will show you how to install the Cura 4.6. Double click the Cura 4.6. So it will start initializing. Now you can choose your language. For me, I can choose English. Okay, it will start now. Just click next. And I will install it on my disk C. And you can change the location if you do not have enough space in your computer. So then you can click next and install. It will take 1 minute to install your Cura. Okay, you will allow it to change the setting in your computer. Wow. You see, it's quite fast. And make sure your Wi-Fi connection here, you will connect the Wi-Fi to the same router of your printer. So you are in the same line. So this one, for our computer, we are using the 1 And also, we need to check the, this is go to your printer and the setting and the Wi-Fi. And here we have our Wi-Fi 1 and also the IP address 192.168.10.125. So remember, record this IP address. We are going to use this one. Okay, let's turn back. Yeah, we have already finished. Okay, click finish. All right, on your desktop, just jump out one of the icon and double click this icon. We can start the software. Okay, so the Cura for the first time, it starts the configuration. Okay, you allow it. The Windows allow the software to process. Okay, welcome to Cura. Okay, get started. User agreement, you just agree. And 4.1 will tell you some of the difference between the two software. And keep going next. Okay, here. Add a new network printer. Yes, and printer by IP. Yeah. We have add a non-network printer. First, let's add the network printer. Choose a 1 So here's options for you. Currently, all the D12 series printer are located here. So you can choose a exactly printer you have. For me, I will connect to 230. Okay, and click next. So the account is created. Finish. All right. Check. So you have finished the install of the software, but next, if you have the Wi-Fi in your office, we need to add the Wi-Fi. So let's go to this printer, manage printer, and here you see MKS Wi-Fi. Okay, click, and you will add the Wi-Fi. Just now we have that IP address. Put the IP address here. 192.168.110. Okay, let me check. I cannot remember. .125. Okay, so put this IP address. 125, and click OK. All right. Click it. So it will start the Wi-Fi. And click connect. All right, so this highlight the unconnect button, which means you have already connected to the Wi-Fi here. All right, let's close this window. So close this window. You have the Wi-Fi connected to your software. Yes, you see here, it's already connected. It shows you the real-time temperature of your extruder, and you can start load the file. Let me try one. Okay, open the file. Okay, let's go to my prints. Let me try one print here. Yeah, double color one. A file. Okay, I choose the two file and click. Okay, let's check. All right, you see the file is already loaded. Just now it shows a monitor, so a monitor. This is your printer. So we have to go back to prepare or review. First, go to the prepare. So there's two of the prints here. This is we will merge it. Yeah, first click the part, and you can choose. Let's merge. How can I put them together? Sorry. Select all model. Merge model. Okay, so it's merged into one, and we start slice. And the latest 4.6 is quite fast. Okay, finished. You see printing over 112.230. You just click. Then it will start send the job to your printer. 2%, 3% printing job. You can cancel it or not. And let's check this side. Uploading now. So the Wi-Fi is uploading the file to your printer. After this, you just click print. It will start printing. For this one, I would suggest you to transfer only the some small file less than 30 megabyte, because too big will take too much time. For this print, it's about 20 megabyte, so it's okay. But for the bigger one, I do recommend you save into your micro SD card. So then you can print through the micro SD card. Yes. Okay, it's transferring now. Okay, we'll take 1 minute. All right, it's almost finished. Done. Okay, successfully. Then it's jump to the monitor screen. You can see the file is here now. It's going to start.